second no drop, just everything just flexes up. Their doors and all. Yeah. Man. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I'm ready. Well, those fans are loud, but we're good.
Yeah. They were heating up a little bit on me. I tried to cool them down. We have a lot of demos today.
Oh, really?
It's been awesome.
Yes, sir. So could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here first?
My name's Taylor Green. I'm on Team Hurts Feelings. We got 4 NSV3s on 4 SUV Cherokee. 135 amp hours of Max. And running off just 370 JSL.
Okay. Nice. What's the box tuned to?
Right at 31.
31. I like the way you got the port going up instead of back.
I was trying not to fill the hatch this time.
What's the SPL score like?
158.5 is what we just metered.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's awesome. Is that past your goal or?
It is. I was trying to only do a 55 this year. I honestly haven't even tested enough where I found out where my peak is.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. What made you invert instead of regular mount?
Really, I just wanted to see the building.
It's nice, yeah. Their doors and all.
That, bro.
Yeah. Man, have you ever thought about ratchet strapping this during a demo show?
I thought
around
about it. It got loud too quick to where I didn't even get the prep to actually everything down.
Got it, yeah.
My goal is really 160.
In a no wall like this? Wow. I don't know if they would consider it no wall with the inverts, but it's still considered no wall. Yeah. Wow.
Base Outlaws. This is okay with Base Outlaws. I love it. I love a no wall.
Yeah.
I want to get a wall one day.
Yeah. I was trying to see your shirt. Sorry. Professional. Awesome, man. Oh, can I see underneath the hood? I forgot to ask. I always like to see.
Try to make it look as stock as I could.
It works.
Yeah.
Just alternator there.
Yep. I was gonna do like a battery delete, and that just ended up holding a couple things in place with me.
What model and vehicle?
It's a 1996 Jeep Cherokee.
Okay.
It's only got 98,000 miles on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's good. Sweet. All right, man.
Thanks, Jacob.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I'm ready. Sorry.
All right, let's go.
say my whole heart, got it under investigation. And know they talk that stick talk, that stick talk. And know we talk that lick talk, that lick talk. $10 million cash, fuck a friend. Started sipping syrup, better keep their sense. Gotta keep that heat on the sea air sense. You know we talk that stick talk, that stick talk.
Second no drop, just everything just flexes up. Their doors and all.
That, bro.
Yeah. Man. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Your name?
Absolutely. My name's Taylor Green.
Taylor.
There
Yes,
it is.
sir.
I was trying to see your shirt. Sorry. Professional.
Awesome, man.